Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Phantom in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to move your assets securely, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. XRP is a popular cryptocurrency, and with updates in 2025, transferring it between exchanges like Coinbase and wallets like Phantom has never been easier or more efficient. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Phantom. Start by opening the Coinbase app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your XRP wallet. It should be listed under your assets. Click on it to view your balance. Next, head over to your Phantom wallet. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app or extension for your browser. Open it and connect to your account. Now, copy your Phantom wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Pro tip: always verify the address by pasting it back into a note before proceeding. Back on Coinbase, select the Send or Withdraw option for your XRP. Paste the Phantom wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check for any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updated blockchain protocols. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes. After the transfer, jump back to Phantom and refresh your wallet. You should see your XRP appear shortly. If it doesn't, give it a little time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. Remember, crypto transfers can be irreversible, so always double-check your steps. This method is based on 2025 standards, so keep an eye out for any platform updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital portfolio together.